Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 25th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, gold, I had this little area marked out this morning, and I was also saying that most likely this push down right here was a pullback within an uptrend. We originally had our Fibonacci retracement from here to here, which this definitely was a nice fib bounce right there, and it definitely was a three-way pullback, so very nice entry. Now, this to me looks like a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 way pattern to the upside. So now, if we get that fib bounce, we get that breaker structure to the downside, then this is likely an ABC pullback, which is likely an ABC or B. This first push down is an A, and then we would likely get another big push down for a wave C. Could even turn into like a running or an expanding ABC on a little bit of a higher time frame, like the 4 hour to daily time frame. But it's the breaker structure to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level that will confirm this end of a wave B, which we definitely do not have yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.